What's the meaning of acting? Acting. 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 Acting refers to the art of performing a character in a play, movie, or TV show. It involves using one's emotions, body language, and voice to convey a story and bring a character to life. Good acting can evoke strong emotions in the audience and make them believe in the reality of the character being portrayed. It requires a high level of skill, training, and dedication to achieve success as an actor. The result of great acting is a captivating and unforgettable performance that can leave a lasting impression on those who witness it.